Guys, what you have here is a dust storm. Holy mackerel. Jackson Street. Isn't that amazing? I mean, traffic just stopped on the other side because nobody could see. Wow. And yeah, I mean, it was like sandblasting. I mean, look at it. Wind is blowing. Amazing. Wow. Anyway, guess what? I went to Palm Springs. I couldn't find no place to eat. Really. I mean, really. Really? Really. Amazing. So we'll continue on and maybe I'll find someplace before noon. It's 8:15. We'll call this the 18:15 report dust storm, whatever. Oh my, yeah, it's wow. Sandblast a person's vehicle. There you go. Let's see. They ain't quite a sight here. Tell me where I'm at in the dust storm. There it is over there too, out here in the desert. Well, here's some signs. Blythe and Phoenix, this way, 10. Is that something? Hang on. Yep. Death storm. I mean, it was really bad there for a while. Real bad. Hey Kevin, we made it through. I hope everybody else did too. What's this? Looks like a casino. Well, look at that. Ain't that nice? A lot of trucks, RV, cars, whatever. Right next to a sewer plant, looks like. Yep, wind's still blowing. Dillon Road. And there's a TA. What if there's a restaurant there? But oh well, too late now, huh? Love's over there. You know, can't find a restaurant. Amazing. It is what it is. Dust storm.